Good morning, guys. It's 4:22 now, and I'm all geared up for another ride to Nandi Hills to catch the sunrise there. And I hope I'm able to get there on time. I probably should be able to get there on time. So, chalo, let's go then. See you there. The Nandi Hills that we'll be visiting today is one of the famous sunrise spot, and it is about 60 kilometers from Bangalore, and it was once a summer retreat for Tipu Sultan, and I will show you all that when we get there. Straight ahead is the Hyderabad Bangalore highway, and for Nandi Hills we take left from here. It's really very cold. I did not realize it would be this cold. It's really very cold, but look at the bikers, everyone on the bike. Really nice. Enjoying it. एक कॉफी हो जाए यार, अब ठंडा लग रहा है. Really very cold. भैया ठीक है, चलो. I got a quick cup of tea on the way because of the cold. The tea lady smiled and waved, but I was in a hurry to catch the sunrise. I drank the tea even though it was really hot. Thank her, got back on my bike. जल्दी चलो, पार्किंग के लिए जगह नहीं मिलेगा. I am good. चलो भाई. पहुंच गया मैं अभी, बट लेकिन बहुत सारा भीड़ है यार. It's really very crowded. And again, hi. How are you? Good. कैसे हो आप?
Good day, sir.
Awesome.
You from, sir?
Assam.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Great. हाँ,
I love Assam.
great.
I am from Odisha.
ओडिशा.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल, असम आया करो.
Jagannath.
आई, देखो बाइक. पूरा.
Milana. I saw this movie. Milana. I saw this movie.
Nandi Hills gets its name from the sacred bull Nandi, the loyal guardian and vehicle of Lord Shiva. The legend says that long ago a massive stone sculpture of Nandi faced the hill, almost as if the bull was watching over the valley, as you can see out here. This very bull is what we are talking about. Because of this timeless connection of the sacred bull, the hill came to be known as Nandi Hills, as we know today. Well, out here you can see full of monkeys. Monkeys on the right, monkeys on the left, monkeys at the top of the trees as well. So There used to people around. You see couples clicking photo and you see a monkey there, being clumsy as how they usually are. This here that you see is Tipu Sultan's drop, where you have a sudden drop, and I believe this is where Tipu Sultan would have also walked. And Nandi Hills carries, a piece of his history, old structure, viewpoints he used, and also this particular area also is a sunset point where you get good crowd even in the evening, and you get to see the golden color of the sky, which is like awesome. So I would want everyone to visit if you are nearby, especially if you live in Bengaluru. You should always visit. You should surely visit this place. This is a small Nandini store where you get coffee, and I've had a couple of times before on my previous visit garlic bread, which is like awesome. Garlic cheese bread, I would say. And I will show you how the cheese pulls up. Look at that cheese. Look at that. And I really enjoy eating this bread out here. Every time I visit, I would have this and I would order this, and it's not very expensive. It's like coffee and garlic bread, cheese garlic bread would cost you somewhere around 150 rupees, which I enjoy. So I'm just showing you. I hope anyone who visit or who watches this video goes there. I hope you order this and see how it tastes. I hope you like it. Let me stretch the cheese again one more time. Please check it out. Please watch it.
Look at the early morning rush and the number of vehicles that are parked. Completely packed. And this usually happens only during the weekend. So plan your visit accordingly. Ideal time to visit or day would be the weekdays where you have got less crowd, and in the weekend in the afternoon. But in the morning you have this kind of crowd, wherein even standing in queue for the ticket takes like an hour. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So that is the Tipu Sultan's lodge, a small one. This is the fort entrance of the fort, and that is the gate. So there's cannon there on both the sides.
So today I came early, but because of the crowd, I wasn't able to get the ticket on time. The queue was so long that by the time I got the ticket, the sun was already up. So I probably have to visit Nandi Hills again some other days to catch the early morning sunrise and see how it is. So for today, I'll end this video now, and I have this downhill ride video. So thank you again for joining me in, and take care.